Good day. The Rosary is a very popular prayer recited by the Catholic faithful, either individually or in groups. The name means crown of roses. It started in the Middle Ages. Since then, has undergone a considerable evolution. The Rosary is a Christ-centered prayer. In fact, the meditation of the mysteries of our salvation centers predominantly on the different moments in the life of Christ. Even when Mary seems to be the protagonist, Jesus is always included as an essential character. But the Rosary is always a prayer, devotion in honor of Mary Most Holy. In fact, it is meant to honor her in a special manner and to ask her intercession. Now, I will teach you how to make a rosary. All we need are the following materials. We need a cross, 59 beads, and a piece of straw used to make a knot, and a 1 meter length of white thread. Insert the thread in the cross. Pull the thread at about 2 inches. Using the straw, we'll make a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the tip of the thread, insert in the straw. Then, remove the straw. And gently push the knot backward with the tip of your finger and tighten it. After then, insert 1 bead for the Our Father. Okay. Then again, we'll make a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Insert the thread and pull it outside. Then remove the straw and carefully tighten the knot. Okay. Insert 4 beads. 3 beads for the Our Hail Mary. Okay. And 1 beads for the Glory Be. In this part, we're going to have a small space or to connect or to end this row after the last decade. Then we'll make a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Slowly. Remove the straw and tighten the knot. Okay. In this part, we will make 5 decades. This 1 decade is composed of 10 beads. So, the same procedure is to be done. We are going to put 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
make a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the thread. Okay. Tighten the knot. Okay. After the 5 decades, we are going to connect or end at this part just what I have told you at the beginning. Insert the thread in the 4th beads. Using this needle, we're going to push it upward. Then pull the thread. Then we're going to make a knot to end the rosary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the thread in the straw. Remove the straw, then tighten the knot. Okay. Okay, now we have done one rosary. Please pray your rosary every day. A word of prayer is a word of peace.